it's me. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Yes, it's a brand new day here in JA. I'm in Jamaica. Let me tell you which parish I'm in. I'm in Kingston right now, okay? That's my mindset. I wish I'm in France. Beautiful, sunny France. Look at my husband wearing his Valentine's hoodie.
It's Kingston hoodie.
Kingston hoodie.
You got that in downtown?
Yes, we buy downtown. Anyway, you guys, it's a brand new day here. It's sunny today. And when I tell you that I had a rough week emotionally and mentally, I had a rough week. I feel mentally drained of this pandemic and lockdown. I just suddenly miss my family so much, especially my brother. Yesterday I literally break down and started crying. That's how much I miss my family. I miss my sister, I miss my mom, and I miss my brother so much. You have no idea. It's not easy living this far when you have no family member at all. Sometimes it's a little bit easier, especially when you stay active and you know you're doing adventures out. But now that is the pandemic and I can't do anything, my mind think a lot and I just really miss my family. I bawl yesterday until I have a headache. I just sobbed like I miss my family. But that's okay, I'm human, I'm allowed to feel that way. Anyway, with all that said, we're going to brush off that energy and start a new day. That's why we're leaving the house today, because I need to go somewhere. We're just gonna get into the car and drive, feel the fresh air, just go somewhere. We have a curfew. We have to be back home by 6 o'clock because we can't sing out by the popo after 6, okay? So it's almost midday. It's 10 minutes before 12 right now. The boys are dressed. I am dressed. I have a tablet in my hand to give Tyler because you guys know when Tyler travel he have motion sickness, and my mom has been tapping me up with tablets for him and they've been working, so thank God for that. She sent me Gravel and she sent me some other one. This one named Dramamine is very good. It helped Tyler a lot. So I am going to go pick up Sarah right now, feed her lunch, get her dressed and leave this house. I want to leave the house by at least 12:30. We should be well on our way. So let's see what adventure we'll go on today. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog while you see the rest of the fam bam. Good morning to the faves. Look, we're all blacked out. Say hi. Say hello. You're looking for your pussy. Say hi to the face. Look at her looking for the pacifier. Say hi to the face.
Me I say good morning guys.
Stella, come say hello to face.
And good night. Here is the bad boys that is in yellow and not in black.
Yes, he's in black. He's in black. His pants is black. Yes,
Mama,
guys.
everybody's seen a little black my
Oh
pants.
yeah.
Papa,
Alright, come so we can go outside and take picture. Come. We go outside and take picture anyway, you guys. The squad is out. We're ready. Who ready? Who ready? Who ready?
Let's see what today gonna be.
Tyler, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you guys see us? You guys can see me and babe and Sarah, look! See Sarah there? Sarah is strapped on my back. Where's Tyler? Tyler, we can't see you. Okay, there he goes. Watch her. She sees Tyler candy. Sarah, look! Sarah! Sarah! Turn around! Hey! Tyler, come around here so let Sarah see you. Because she's looking at you with the candy. Give her some. Ah! 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 It's okay. Let it go. Give her. Give her. Wait!
She just want to play with you.
So she eating it. Hold on. Let me give you another one.
You have it though?
Oh, this. The candy life.
Candy lights, sugar of parents.
And I didn't want her to see it because I know the minute. Tyler, you want the same one? Or a different one?
A different one.
Okay, I'll give you this one. An orange one. Yeah, orange?
No, there's some
Strawberry?
Yes.
You can talk to the face, honey.
Yes, I was letting them listen to your struggle. Anyway, guys, we are to our destination. Is a little trail in the yellow flower. We call them mimosa in French.
Mimosa?
Mimosa.
Mimosa?
You call mimosa in English?
Mimosa sound like a wine or an alcoholic drink.
Oh no, that's the name of the flower.
Here.
The yellow one. No, Papa, that's just c'est du
C'est quoi
mimosa.
jonquille?
That's the type of flowers.
Okay.
So we are to our destination, so we're gonna do this little adventure in the yellow.
What the hell is a jump?
In the yellow. So yeah, we have yellow everywhere. I don't know if you see properly, but yes, all along the way that will be yellow.
Strawberry and milk.
I need to manage the.
Alright, you guys, the candy fight is over and everybody's happy. Sarah have a candy, Tyler have a candy, and everybody's happy now.
You happy, Tyler?
We're in the yellow flowers and it's so beautiful out here. We don't know how far this walk is gonna take us, but wherever it takes us,
We have a curfew.
that's we gonna go. We have to reach back by 6 p.m. but that's okay. We have time.
Yeah.
We got time.
We on
Tyler the caca.
You can step in it.
So all along this trail is yellow flower, so we're just taking our time to trot along. I think I'm gonna step up the pace a little bit with the walking just to make sure we get a little good walking and just, you know, enjoy the time being out. I need it. Hooray! Hooray! And just enjoy the walk. You know, I was worried. I was talking to babe a few days ago and I was worried that we won't be able to go on much adventures because we don't really have a proper carrier for Sarah. But now that I have her strapped onto my back, it's actually the first I'm carrying her on my back for this long of a walk. Tyler, be careful. Jump.
Jump. Yes.
And she's comfortable and it feels good. So now that I know she's okay in this carrier, we can go on more walks like this. Yes, Ty. What's wrong? Trying to get your candy? So put it in your mouth. What you say, babe?
So the first show we did in Antibes, I don't know if you remember.
It was you have her and she didn't like it at all.
Like it.
But now she's a big girl. She's so comfy. She's singing and eating her candy.
No, put it in your mouth.
Eating her candy.
Mouth.
Wow, look at this dog, how beautiful he is. He's beautiful but big. Jump! You didn't jump when I said jump. I'll let you drop in the next one. You're so slow, boy. Anyway, you guys, we out here enjoying this walk. Tally, you having fun? Yes. Papa, you having fun? Yes. Sorry, you having fun? Yes. Keep coming, keep coming. Why are you doing that? You're gonna fall. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Turn around.
What do you see? What do you see?
Houses and the beach, the beach is here. You can come up in a time. Is that the boat building? No.
Nah.
Because we are in what city?
You know, is the end of Cannes here, Mandelieu and Théoul.
Okay, because I'm seeing a port. There's a
Yeah,
port
the
there.
port of Mandelieu. Having fun?
Oh yeah, I'm actually loving this. I wish we have the mentality that we're going to the end because I'm enjoying the walk. But let's see how far we can go.
Yeah.
If you guys could almost see the view that we're seeing from here, let me see if I can zoom so you guys can see.
This is Cannes.
Look at that.
The two islands that we went, the big one,
Mm.
the one we went for your birthday.
Okay,
So
the view is beautiful. So you guys, no, that's not one. Look in front of you though, on the tree.
I have 4 points.
Activity for Tyler is finding these yellow marks along the way, and he's having so much fun. So this is where the trail take us. We detour a little bit to go on a trail,
Mama,
and then we're gonna go back on the track that we were on. Yes, Ty?
I'm leaving because I have 4 points. Mama, Mama.
Papa talking. Hold on.
That's a very good activity for the kids to follow. You make them continue to their.
You guys, we were talking to you earlier, and the battery died. They was saying it's a good activity for Tyler along the trail to find the colors.
Is keeping him busy, is making him walking, is give him like a stamina, and being outside is everything better than staying home.
Oh yes, staying home and watch TV and tablet. Not even just watch TV and tablet, but staying home in general, just locked in. I'll take this trail over staying home any day. Any day. Any day. Yeah, now that the weather is becoming good, we need to start back to do this every weekend. Tyler, stop.
Finding a new places to go.
Mhm.
Places to go every week.
We have our mask and we're walking. Very good activity. I think we're about to reach back the point, the map. Go with him. Go on. Honey, you have to hold him hand. Babe, go and tell her going to pick flowers. Go! Take your hand out your pocket. Tyler, hold Papa, please. Right where you are, that big tree right there. Take them to pick flowers, Sonny. Why are you picking that little one? I want them long so they can go in the flowers thing at home. Break it long, don't break it short. Okay, the same one you were trying to catch, but the tree for it is to the right. It's not easy to break. Keep winding it in the same direction. Hope you guys will be able to see this properly. Tyler got flowers.
Papa, est-ce que t'as envie que t'as la collection des...
Look at all this.
Maman,
So pretty.
la-
But they're gonna die after a while, right? Right? But that's what flowers do. That's what flowers do, Ty. They don't live forever. You have to plant them in a pot in dirt. But if you just pick them like that, Yes, my Tyler.
I want to play my room.
You want to play in your room? So go ahead and play in your room. Wait, come to the supermarket haul with me.
Oh, yes, I forgot.
You guys, we've been back. Look at my flowers. Isn't it beautiful where it is? We've been back, you guys.
It looks like a rose.
And I made a quick stop at the fruits and vegetable supermarket. And I ran in, well, babe ran into KFC and got us dinner.
What's
So-
most important, to go supermarket or to go get KFC?
KFC.
Right.
Mama,
Yes, Tyler.
this time instead of saying KFC, you know what I say?
What?
I say KFC.
Right.
The sound of the
Come, husband. Come see what I got. So babe don't have no idea what did I get. Tyler don't know what I got either. Wait.
I can see.
Wow, see the peach, Mama get a lot of peach. I make the peach disappear now.
What is it?
Disappear, because Tyler is not nice. Okay, there's no more peach.
Okay. What is this? What is?
Zucchini.
No, I want to say something. It's courgette.
Courgette.
Absolutely right. That's what it is in French. And what is it in English?
So why you took that?
I know everything I took out is gonna say why did I take
No,
that?
but guys, we
Tyler asked for this. That's why I
just
take
come
it.
from the bush. She could have just taken that in the bush than to take it there. This is for people who don't go in the bush. People who go in the bush, they just take them right in the bush.
It's kale.
No, that's épinard.
Spinach.
Spinach.
Not epinard.
Yes, it is.
Tyler get use of the
That's
spinach
épinard before it's cooked.
when he's in his plate already.
Epinard is something soft.
I know, but it's when you cook this, it become épinard. When I cook it for you, you'll see.
That's before he cooked. That's
I want
uncooked.
it.
That's spinach.
That's uncooked spinach.
What is this?
What is it?
That's this ball from here.
Mentos. Alors, c'est des sortes.
Tangerine.
Mandarine. Mandarine.
Ah, nana. Ah, nana.
I'm going to eat it.
He's not even telling you guys
no,
what it is. He just got to eat it.
Yeah, you need to eat
So you're
it.
gonna eat it and not eat the ice cream?
And leave the ice cream
Yes.
for Papa, right?
No, for another thing. If you want to eat some, you only if you want to eat and
I punch you in the nose and I eat
You're
it.
gonna let him finish. Let me hear what he's gonna say.
if in the night you are going to sleep and go and take my ice cream, if you want to take some, you only can take the half and leave the other half for me.
But at least you're nice. You shared. You give him half. He give you half. Green beans. All right. Here, babe. No. Here, babe. When this one come out.
Shoe kale. I was sure about this.
Kale? Mama.
One day we did the green smoothie challenge.
Yeah.
We were not on camera when we did the green smoothie
No, we
challenge.
weren't vlogging.
We were not vlogging. We did the. Of course, I did it while she was cheating all along the journey. But that was the worst ingredient.
You finish? You
Mama.
finish?
I finished when I put the dot at the end of the sentence.
Onion.
What is this?
The turmeric.
Onion.
Where's the turmeric?
It's in the bag.
Oh, I believe it was done.
What? You need to guess.
So what's special about this onion? Why is purple?
It's red onion.
Papa?
Sarah too silent. What's she doing?
Papa?
Wait, Tyler.
You need to guess
Turmeric.
what. You need
Turmeric.
turmeric.
Turmeric. Turmeric.
Papa? You
Turmeric.
need to.
Mama says in the bag and I don't see nothing in the bag, so some things must be somewhere.
You need to guess.
Turmeric. This hand.
He said turmeric.
No, yeah, at the hand. This hand. This hand.
Ginger, you got it wrong.
No, you got got it wrong. It's not ginger, it's turmeric. Look, it's orange. Ginger is
What
not
did you know?
orange.
Turmeric.
It
Tyler,
looks like
you
ginger.
need to go in the bin.
So those are all the things I picked up at the fruit and vegetable store.
Thank you.
They had no fruit in there that I want. No kiwi, no.
Apple.
They have apple, but we have apple until Monday. Anyway, you guys, we've been back. And when we got in, we were so hungry, we dove right into the KFC, so you guys didn't see that. I had wings. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I had some wings, but I did not have any juice.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
can I eat my pineapple?
Sure, if that's what you want. So I'm gonna put away these things right now. And this is the flowers I got from.
Mama, I could tell you this is both of the name of the flowers. This yellow one is his name is Musa. And the red one, like you know, Rose.
What's the red one? Rose, like Auntie Rose.
With the S. Not
Roses.
S.